Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will explain about nested if function in Excel. Let's look at the data set. So we have a data of a student name and their score, and we want to categorize the student as pass, fail or distinction based on the score. So the criteria is if the student score is greater than 60, it will be considered as distinct, and if the student score is greater than 40, it will be considered as pass, and if the student score is less than 40, it will be a fail. So this is our criteria to categorize the student. So how will we do this? So for this, we will use a nested if function. That is, we will use two if function, one if function inside the another. So if we will use if function, so if function will take a logic and it will give the result as pass or fail. So we will not use if function because it will take only it will give us two result, either true or false. So that's why we are using two if function inside this. So now let's start. So we have type if function and we will select our cell B2, which is the student score, and if this cell is greater than 60, I want the result as distinction. And if this is not true, what I will do, I will use again a if function. So if this is greater than 60, it will give me the result as distinction. If not, I will use another if function, and if this cell is greater than 40, I want the result as pass. Otherwise, I want the result as fail. I want the result as fail. So now press enter, and now we will double click and we have got the result. So Arjun has scored 95, which is greater than 60. So we have got the result as distinction, and Priya has got 59 score, which is greater than 40. So that's why Priya uh, is pass, and Raj has scored less than 40, so he got the fail. So now let's understand this formula. So here we can see that uh, and we have used if function. So if b2 is greater than 60, this function will give the result as distinction. If not, then it will again consider the if function. If b2 will be greater than 40, it will give the result as pass. If not, then give me the result as fail. So I hope you have understood the use of nested if function, uh, and thank you for watching this video.